One morning, people felt rich. By nightfall, everything was gone. No war, no warning, just numbers collapsing. That's how the Great Depression began. In the late 1920s, the United States was one of the richest countries on Earth. Factories were running, cities were growing. People believed the hardest part of history was behind them. Nothing serious could go wrong anymore. They were wrong. To understand why, we have to rewind. The feeling that everything was fine. After World War I, America changed fast. Factories stopped making weapons and started making comfort. Cars, radios, refrigerators. Cities stretched upward. Electric lights filled the streets. Jazz music played everywhere, loud, confident. The country didn't just feel successful, it felt unstoppable. Economists said growth would continue. Businesses expanded. People trusted the future. And that trust mattered more than anyone realized. Speed changes the economy. Then came efficiency. Henry Ford perfected the moving assembly line. What once took an entire day now took about an hour. Cars became cheaper. Production exploded. And when cars exploded in popularity, everything connected to them followed. Steel, oil, rubber, entire industries surged together. America wasn't just growing, it was accelerating. A problem no one wanted to see. But not everyone was winning. Outside the cities, farmers struggled. During the war, demand had made them wealthy. After the war, prices collapsed. To survive, farmers borrowed money to modernize. New machines, new equipment. But the debt didn't save them, it squeezed them faster. They produced more and earned less. While cities celebrated, rural America quietly sank. Buying the future before earning it. In the cities, a new habit spread. People started buying things they couldn't afford. Not later, now. Buy now, pay later. Radios, cars, appliances. Debt became normal. Banks encouraged it. Installment plans were everywhere. Comfort came instantly. Consequences were delayed. And nowhere was this mindset stronger than on Wall Street. Wall Street stops making sense. The stock market became a national obsession. People didn't invest anymore, they speculated. Margin loans allowed anyone to buy stocks with borrowed money. Put down a little, borrow the rest. As long as prices rose, everyone felt smart. And prices did rise, fast. Stocks detached from reality. Profits didn't matter. Logic didn't matter. Only momentum. When barbers and shoeshine boys started giving stock tips, the warning signs were already flashing, but no one wanted to listen. Confidence turns into blindness. A few economists tried to warn the public. They said prices were unsustainable. The debt was growing too fast. They were ignored. Optimism was louder than caution. Behind the scenes, pressure built. Consumer debt ballooned. Farm debt worsened. Banks were dangerously exposed. The entire system depended on confidence, and confidence is fragile. The day everything broke. October 1929. The stock market cracked. Then it collapsed. Prices fell faster than machines could record them. Phones rang non-stop. Traders panicked. Billions of dollars vanished. Not imaginary wealth. Real savings. Real homes. Real futures. America went to bed poorer than it had ever imagined possible. Panic spread. The crash didn't stop at Wall Street. Margin calls arrived. Investors were asked to repay money they didn't have. They sold everything. It wasn't enough. Banks failed. People ran to withdraw their savings. Doors closed. Money was trapped inside. Entire families lost everything overnight. Trust disappeared. And once trust is gone, the system freezes. From financial crisis to human crisis. Unemployment exploded. 1 out of every 4 Americans couldn't find work. Factories went silent. Cities strained under hunger. Bread lines stretched for blocks. Families skipped meals. Children fainted in classrooms. This wasn't symbolic suffering, it was real, and it was everywhere. When the land fights back. In the Great Plains, the land collapsed too. Years of over-farming stripped the soil. Drought followed, then wind. Dust storms swallowed towns. The sky turned black. Families fled west with everything they owned. Many found nothing waiting for them. Leadership under pressure. President Hoover believed the economy would fix itself. He resisted large federal aid. People lost patience. Shanty towns appeared. They were named after him. When war veterans marched on Washington demanding help, they were met with force. Trust in leadership collapsed along with the economy. A different path forward. In 1933, Franklin Roosevelt took office. His message was simple. Fear had become the enemy, and fear had to be confronted. Job programs began. Banks were restructured. Rules were written. People worked again, not to get rich, but to survive with dignity. Slowly, stability returned. What the Depression taught. The Great Depression didn't end with celebration. It ended with work, with restraint, with rules. It showed what happens when growth outruns responsibility, when debt replaces discipline, when confidence replaces caution, and it left behind a question that still matters today. What happens when a system built on belief stops being believed?